Hey everybody, Happy New Year! And that's my first project for the year. And I decided to take two projects that I made before, the Okapi and the crisscross, and put them together. And I'm making a Okapi or a crisscross Okapi bowl. And it's going to be fun, I hope. Let's see. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And put some comments at the bottom if you like this project or you didn't. To start, I just drilled the recess. It's a 53 millimeter and it goes straight into my chuck. To work with Imboya, it's like getting a present, a surprise present. You never know what's the shape of the color in the wood that you're going to get. Just squaring the wood a little bit. So I'll have a flat one on one side, then I'll square it the same way on the other side. This is a step that where I mark the grooves that I'm going to do later in the wood for the Criss or for the cross, one of the two. Again, using the steppers of the lathe to mark my lines for the Criss or for the cross. That's my second recess for the other side. Like I said earlier, I need to square both sides because for this project they have to be totally square. I'm using a thin parting tool and I'm creating the grooves. This is just to clean the edges of the groove so there will be no debris inside. I created a small tenet that I'm going to put in one of the recesses, actually the top recess, and then after I put the resin in, I will be able to put it back into the chuck, and I will still have center and for the project. The blue pipe is for one of the other project that I made some time ago. I took a big piece. I made some holes for a press for cheese, and this one, it's a leftover, and it fills exactly the size um, of the project. The idea was if I will mix white, a little bit of white in the resin and very fine silver powder, and I will mix a white pull, I'll get like a silverish stainless steel reaction to the resin. But unfortunately, and I don't like to swear, all the particles, all the silver, even if they were so fine, all of them went into the bottom and they disappeared at all. And I left with a pole color. It's nice, but that wasn't the idea that I wanted. So it is what it is. Just something heavy on top, so it will not, the wood will not raise out of the resin later. And here you can see why I made a tenon. Now you'll see that it goes straight in the middle when I drill it, and it's not going off center, and it's like maybe half a mil off center, maybe even not that. Now I'm cleaning it up a little bit and I'm making a recess for my logo to sit inside. One of the benefits of having a Nova and XP is that I can reverse the direction of the turning of the lathe, and I can work on the outside, and with this way I can make the, the recess with a little bit of an angle so it will sit much better in on the chuck. From 120 to 600. Then I'm using Yorkshire grid, and after the Yorkshire grid I'm finishing it with a friction polish that a friend of mine made, and it Works magic. I don't know what's inside. I'll have to ask him. I don't think he'll tell me. That's already the other side. That's the inner side of the ball. I didn't show you how I turn it around. I'm sorry. The same procedure. 120, 600, Yorkshire grid, um, and my friend's friction polish. In between, I clean all the time with alcohol. I hope you enjoy this project. It's a collection of some ideas of my subscriber that they gave me, and that's what I created. And if you did enjoy it, please subscribe to my channel and comment at the bottom. Cheers. Have a good day.